Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a GMC Acadia in neutral. Understanding this process is crucial for various situations, like towing or car washes. We'll walk through the steps for your electronic precision shift system. Remember, safety is always paramount, so pay close attention to the instructions. Let's get started and make sure you're confident with this procedure. To begin, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a critical safety step before engaging neutral. Next, locate the electronic precision shift buttons on your center console. Simply press the button labeled N for neutral. You should then see neutral clearly displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming the shift. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Quick recommendation: on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add convenience and entertainment to any room. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
There are a few special considerations for putting your Acadia in neutral. For instance, if you're preparing for towing, always refer to your owner's manual for detailed instructions, as specific procedures may apply. If your engine is off, you might need to cycle the ignition to access the shifter. And remember, always engage the parking brake before exiting the vehicle, even when in neutral. Safety is key when dealing with your vehicle's transmission. Never attempt to shift into neutral while driving at high speeds, as this can be dangerous. Always ensure your Acadia is on a level surface if you're putting it in neutral for an extended period. And importantly, have a clear plan for securing the vehicle, whether with the parking brake or wheel chocks, once it's in neutral.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.